here's this week's tech tip video. I'll show you jokers how to put tear-offs on, because I didn't know how to do it when I first started racing. Yeah, so these are a pack of 10. They come in packs of 10. These are the Racing Optics ones. So these are the best ones I've come across. The other we used to use, what do I used to use? Ultra Shield ones. Yeah. And they come singularly and they were okay, but they used to get dust stuck between them. These Racing Optics ones are actually stuck together in a single thing in a pack of 10, and they seem to work the best. So it's as easy as, try and tuck that behind the GoPro a bit so you can't see what's going on. This is dodgy as hell. You put that on that one. Now on this side, so you hook one side up, you work out what side you use you pull your tear-offs from, and I pull them with my right hand. So you don't pull them all on in one go, put them on one at a time, and you fold over the end. Actually, what you normally do, is I normally stuff that up. I've got no scissors, I normally do this with scissors. You cut the first one off, so you got no tag on it. The reason you do that is when you get down here and you realise you've got no tag left on this side, you know you're in trouble. You're on your last tear off. And you've got to pull that from the other side. But, I mean, all you do is fold over that, tag in, pull the next one on. Fold the tag over, pull it on. What that does is prevent you from pulling them all off at once. And I've done that, and it's not fun. So that's it. You keep doing that until you run out of tear-offs. Just tip me on this packet. There. Next one, last one. So you leave the last one hanging out. When you pull that, the next one pops off the tag. Good to go. You got another one to pull off. You don't pull them all off at once. This week's tech video. Okay.